2027 Acura MDX. The 2027 Acura MDX continues to prove why it has remained one of the most respected names in the luxury three-row SUV world. Acura is not completely redesigning the MDX this time, but instead focusing on refining every detail that already made it successful. This update is all about precision, comfort, smarter technology, and improving the overall driving experience without losing the bold identity people already love. The exterior still carries that aggressive and athletic stance with the signature diamond pentagon grille, razor-sharp dual LED headlights, and a wide planted body that gives the SUV a strong road presence from every angle. Acura clearly understood that the design already worked. So instead of changing everything, they introduced subtle upgrades including fresh wheel designs, updated paint colors, and cleaner styling details that make the MDX look even more modern and premium. It does not scream for attention, but it naturally stands out wherever it goes. Under the hood, the standard 3.5-liter V6 engine is expected to continue producing around 290 horsepower, giving drivers a smooth and dependable performance for everyday driving, highway cruising, and family road trips. For buyers wanting something much more exciting, the MDX Type S remains the performance-focused option with its powerful 355 horsepower, turbocharged V6 that completely changes the personality of the SUV and makes it feel far more energetic and sporty than most people expect from a family vehicle. However, the biggest conversation surrounding the 2027 MDX is the possibility of a hybrid powertrain. Acura has not officially confirmed it yet, but rumors continue to grow about a future V6 hybrid system that could dramatically improve fuel efficiency, while also increasing performance through instant electric torque. Right now, fuel economy has been one of the few weaknesses of the MDX compared to competitors, already offering hybrid technology. So introducing electrification could completely change the game for Acura by delivering quicker acceleration and better mileage at the same time. Beyond performance, the MDX continues to show impressive capability thanks to Acura's Super handling all-wheel drive system, which gives the SUV confidence in rain, snow, gravel, and difficult road conditions. Interest in the SUV's hidden capability became even stronger after Acura revealed the rugged MDX Type S overland concept at SEMA with larger tires, off-road styling, and adventure-focused upgrades that proved this SUV is more capable than many people realize. Inside the cabin is where the 2027 updates become even more noticeable because Acura finally removed the old touchpad control system and replaced it with a proper touchscreen interface that feels much more intuitive, modern, and user-friendly during daily use. The new technology setup also includes Google built-in features that make navigation, apps, and voice commands smoother and more seamless than before.